How to add your own custom song, music, audio on Reels on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app on your phone. Make sure to log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right. From your profile feed, select plus button at top right corner of your screen and choose the Reel option. Then you simply need to choose the camera option and land on this Reel section. Now you need to understand built-in music limitations. When you tap on the music icon at top left corner on your Reel section, you will notice Instagram does not allow custom music. But don't worry, we will show you how to use your own audio. Simply, you can open your favorite music application like Spotify or access your downloaded music on your phone. You can search for the song you want to use and start playing it in the background. Currently, I'm not doing that, but if you have that, then you can easily follow this step. Once you do that, you need to go back to Instagram while the song is playing and you can start recording your reel and the music will automatically be captured as background audio. After recording, you can check your reel to ensure the music is captured correctly. You can also add effects, text or stickers to make it more engaging. Now tap next button and you can easily post your own custom songs on your reel. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.